If you work in air conditioning or refrigeration, you'll want to listen. Meet ZOOMLOCK, the flame-free method for connecting copper refrigerant lines. 10 seconds and you're connected. You heard that correctly. ZOOMLOCK is flame-free, and when you can connect copper tubing without brazing, that changes everything. By eliminating the need for brazing, ZOOMLOCK lets you join copper tubing in less time, with less work, with less equipment, and even with less headache or experience than brazing requires. 10 seconds and you're connected. Since you don't need a flame, you don't need a fuel source. So, you also don't need fire safety equipment, a fire watch, or hot work permits. With ZOOMLOCK, almost anybody can join refrigerant lines, and you get more flexibility when and where you work. In fact, time and labor costs are typically reduced by 40 to 50% when using ZOOMLOCK to make refrigerant fitting connections. ZOOMLOCK is a patented technology based on the simple concept of crimping, and it's all very easy to do. Step 1. Cut. Cut the end of the tube to the desired length using the supplied tube cutter. Step 2. Deburr. Deburr the tube using the supplied deburring tool, because the ZOOMLOCK fitting has an O-ring inside, and sharp edges on a tube can damage it. Step 3. Sand and clean. Sand and clean using the provided abrasive pad to ensure a proper leak-free seal. Step 4. Inspect. Inspect for scratches, incise marks, or other tube defects. Step 5. Mark. Next, mark the copper tube with the proper insertion depth using the depth gauge provided. Then just push the fitting onto the tube to the mark. Place the crimping jaws onto the fitting. Grooves in the jaws make it easy to align with the fitting. Then press and hold the trigger on the tool until it completes its cycle. Finally, check for a proper and safe crimp with the supplied gauge. It's that easy. No flames, no adhesives, and almost no time at all. The ZOOMLOCK fittings are secure and leak-proof, so there's no compromise on performance. ZOOMLOCK fittings are also more repeatable than brazed joints. Let ZOOMLOCK fittings help you be more efficient, work more safely, more flexibility to job site, and finish every job sooner. ZOOMLOCK flame-free refrigerant fittings. 10 seconds, connected. Talk to your local Sporlan authorized wholesaler or Parker distributor for more information.